Y'all already know I'm a little bit late, but ATEEZ NASA go hard. I think out of the whole album, this is one of my favorites, favorite songs out of it. I mean, there's other favorites, but I think this one threw me off because I didn't know what to expect going into that. But NASA, let's get it. Let's go ATEEZ. You know who it is. Check out the Patreon link in the description down below. You could be a free follower, free content. Subscribe to the Patreon. Oh shit, the visuals are crazy already. What is happening? Oh, we going in space. Oh, okay, makeup. Appreciate the makeup. That's a gas mask though. Ooh, okay, blue eye contacts. Hey, hold up. Hey, where my drinks at? Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Ah, this shit would get me twerking in the club. Not twerk. Woo! Shout out to the choreo. Oh, that bird's eye view. The all-white puffer suits. What's that, Montclair? And the beat drop. 3, 2. Woo! Hey, hey. Yeah. Shoot for the stars like NASA. Ooh, Jungho's vocals. Always hits. What a powerful voice, man. Let's go, Golden Retriever. Oh, Songhwa. Hey. Shout out to my bias, bro. Okay, Spanish. Mingy. Came out like that. Ooh, that beat reminded me of something like well, it was some type of Future beat. The little like flute reminded me of that. Ooh, the little. Hey. Damn, them glasses hitting. Them glasses hitting. I love the red hair on him though. Three, 2, 1. Hey. That shit just hit. The way that the chorus comes in with the beat, oh, chills. It just hit something in me, bro. And the way that they like bump into the beat too. Hey man, San gotta show up. I saw him showing up throughout the whole music video. Ooh, this with the visual. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, wait, I missed it. What the? That shit crazy. I love that Songhwa is the middle though too, man. Hey Songhwa, we need to hang out. You know my boy, one of my good friends, Ian, DPR Ian. I saw y'all met up. Where was mine? Nah, I'm playing. I thought that video was so dope. I like that. Yeah. Anyways, this is all about ATEEZ, not about DPR Ian, but shout out DPR Ian, of course. NASA, executive producer Sean Kim, bruh. I wanted a visual for this, and I'm glad I got it. All right, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of NASA. I mean, I already like it. You already know. If you watching this video, you probably like it as well. Glad they added a performance video. even if it's not like a music video. Sometimes I think performance videos are where it's at more than a music video, a highly produced music video. I'd rather have a highly produced performance video. Is that weird? I think that we should do more performance videos because it shows like the choreo, shows more of the performance of the members. Yeah, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the Patreon. Going live on Twitch tonight at 6 p.m. And Instagram, TikTok, just run them every day. Go follow it.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.